Rivian has released another brief video which shows its progress even further. It's another behind the scenes look at the factory. In this video, we learned that Rivian R1T electric pickup trucks are already slowly rolling off the assembly line. Rivian says these are pre-production vehicles that will be used for their continued testing to ensure they meet and exceed expectations. They are looking forward to beginning deliveries next year and are focused on achieving high quality and durability targets. This goes along with the idea that Rivian has been at it for many years, has working prototypes, plenty of capital, and a functional factory. It's still taking its time and playing it safe to ensure everything is right.